Welcome in class 10th mathematics and today we will discuss about the chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So dear, let us start this video and enjoy. In this chapter we will discuss the algebraic method for the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable, and in this algebraic method we will discuss that cross multiplication method. In this cross multiplication method, dear, first of all we will take let a system pair of linear equation in two variables, that is a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0. Let this is the equation number 1, and a2x plus b2 by plus c2 equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Dear, here you learn that, here you remind that, here you remember that this equation should be into the standard form, that is a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0, means right hand side should be always 0 for the cross multiplication method. Before starting the solution by the cross multiplication method, we will check here that the given system is consistent or inconsistent, means this system have unique solution or not. If this system have a unique solution, then we can apply cross multiplication method. If this system have no solution and infinite number of solution, then we cannot apply this cross multiplication method. So dear, how can you check that this given system have a unique solution or this system is a consistent? If for this you will find that the value of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, if this is not equal to both, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say that the system have unique solution. Therefore, the system have a unique solution. If this system have a unique solution, dear, then we can apply the cross multiplication method. But how can you solve this method? So first of all, we will try to understand what is the method to find the solution by cross multiplication method. So dear, once again we will write here both equations. Let us, these are a1x plus b1 by plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation, this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, and this is the necessary condition that right hand side should be 0. Now for cross multiplication we will write just like that here, x upon, and after that equal to y upon, and after that this is 1 upon. Okay, but dear, keep in your mind there are three terms, and these three terms have sign positive. This one is positive and next one is negative and this one is positive. So you will mark here the negative sign minus. After that, what to do? For the solution of x, you will hide these given two equations, that is the x term. आप क्या करोगे कि x के डिवाइड में आपको लिखना है, तो क्या लिखना है, आप अपना लेफ्ट हैंड से हाइड दिस term of x of both equation, and now remaining is b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So what to do in now next case? In next case, dear, you will cross multiply h. First of all, b1 multiply to c2, and you will write here just under the value of x, that is v1 c2, and then put here negative sign, always negative sign. After that c1 b2. Okay, now for the value of x, dear, you will again hide the term of y, that is, dear, you can write this is as you see. आपको क्या करना है कि y वाले टर्म को आप हाइड करेंगे, चूंकि हमें y टर्म के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. सो डियर, यू विल पुट योर लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन दिस टर्म, that is on y. So dear, you will get the remainder things as you see. Now after this, again you will cross multiply, that is a1 to c2 and a to c1, and you will write just under the term of y, that is the multiplication of a1 to c2 is a1 c2, and then put you sign here minus always, and then multiply this c1 to a2, otherwise a1 a to c1. So you can write here c1 a2. After that, when you write the just under the 1 means the third term, जब आप 1 के नीचे लिखेंगे, then again dear, you will hide the constant term with your left hand, means you will get just like that. You will get here a1x plus b1y and a2x plus b2y only, and you hide this constant term with your left hand, and again you will cross multiply as a1 to b2 and a2 to b1, and write here just under the third term, that is under 1. अब आप इसका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे लिखेंगे तो आप देखिए आपको क्या मिलेगा. यू विल गेट जस्ट लाइक दैट a1 and b2. So you write this cross multiplication a1 b2, and now put you negative sign here, and then b1 a2. So you will write here b1 a2, and as let us, this is first term and this is the second term, that is second part, and this is the third part. Okay, so here are you will get 3 part, and part number first and the part number third, you will select these 2 parts simultaneously. So you will get it as x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b2 equal to the constant term 1 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2, and now transpose this denominator to right hand side. You will get the value of x as x equal to b1 c2 minus c1 b2 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So this is the value of x. Back to the second term and third term. So you will get the value of y. As you can see, it is minus y upon a1 c2 minus c1 a2 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So again you transpose this, the value of denominator to right hand side. So dear, you will get the value of y equal to minus a1 c2 minus c1 a2 upon a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So this is the value of y. Hence you will get the solution of the system of a linear equation in two variable as follows. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So now dear, let us try to understand this solution, that is cross multiplication method, by an example. So dear, plus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So dear, for this, first of all you will write these given two equations, that is a system of linear equation and two variable, in the standard form. Standard form means right hand side should be 0. So you transpose this 5 to left hand side and this 8 also into the left hand side. You will get as 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and the second equation as 3x plus 2y and minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the system into the standard form. Let us, this is equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So first of all you will check this equation exists or not. Exist means this system have unique solution or not, means this system is consistent or not. So what to do? First of all you will write a1 equal to b1 equal to and c1 equal to. After that, the value of a1, you can see that this is the coefficient of x, and value of b1, this is the coefficient of y. Here you can see that 1 only, and the c1, that is minus 5. So you will write this is 2 and this is 1 and c1 is minus 5. And after that, dear, you will write a2 equal to b2 equal to and c2, means again you will find the value. It is there, you can see that this is the coefficient of x means a2 and the coefficient of y means this is b2, and minus 8, this is the value of c2. So you will put these value, that is 3 and 2 and minus. So dear, when you write the value of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, you will write the coefficient with sign. Here you can see that the value of a1 is plus 2, so you will mark here plus 2, and the coefficient of y is plus 1, so you will write plus 1. Never forget to write the sign, but if it is plus, then no need to write here plus, but if it is negative, then 100% you will write the negative sign in this place. So now dear, a1 by a2, this is dear 2 upon 3, because the value of a1 is 2 and the value of a2 is 3, and again the value of b1 upon b2. So you can see that the value of b1 is 1 and the value of b2 is 2, so you will write 1 upon 2. Now you compare no need to find C1 upon C2. You can compare here the ratio of A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. This is the different value, means these are not equal. Means you can write that since A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, therefore system have a unique solution. If this system have unique solution, then dear, you can apply here cross multiplication method. Plus y minus 5 equal to 0 with the sufficient space, and 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. And again dear, you will write here just like that, x upon and equal to minus y upon, and this just equal to 1 upon. So keep in your mind that here is negative sign is compulsory. So now for the value of x, you will hide the term of x in the both equations. As you see, when you hide these two terms, then you will get as this is 1 y minus 5, and in the equation number 2 2y minus 8. So what to do? You will cross multiply both, that is this cross multiplication. First of all, 1 2 minus 8 and 2 2 minus 5. So what is the multiplication? When you multiply 8 1 ja 8 and this is minus sign, so you will put here minus 8, and now again you put here minus sign from your side, and then this multiplication, that is 5 2 ja 10, and here again minus sign, so you will write this into minus 10. And now for the value of x, this is complete. And now for the value of y, we want to write just the value under this y, that is in the denominator of y. So what to do? Again you hide the term of y, and then you will get just like that, this is 2x and this one is 3x. Now hide this the term of y, so you will get it is 2x and minus 5 and 3x and minus 8. आप क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड से ये y वाले टर्म को हाइड कर लीजिए, तो आपको केवल इतना दिखाई पड़ेगा. नाउ रिमेनिंग यू अगेन मल्टीप्लाई जस्ट लाइक दैट, 2 2 minus 8 and 3 2 minus 5. So what you will get when you multiply 2 to 8, 8 to just 16 and minus sign. So this is minus 16, and again you put the minus 16 and put minus sign from your side, and then 5 3s are 15 and it is minus, so you will write just under bracket minus 15. And what to do for the constant term? कांस्टेंट टर्म के लिए क्या करेंगे दोस्तों, हम फिर से कांस्टेंट टर्म को हाइड कर लेंगे और y वाले टर्म को शो करेंगे. तो y वाला टर्म जो हमने हाइड किया हुआ था, अब वो आपको यहाँ पे इस तरह से शो होने लगेगा. आपने कांस्टेंट टर्म को हाइड कर दिया, अपना लेफ्ट हैंड कांस्टेंट टर्म पर पुट कर लिया, देन यू विल गेट दिस इज 2x plus y and 3x plus 2y. So now again you cross multiply just like that, that is 2 2 2 and 3 2 1. Here is 1. Okay, so now you will cross multiply and write here 2 2 ja 4, and this is positive sign, so you write here 4, and now put here minus sign from your side, and then 3 1 ja 3. Okay dear, 3 1 ja 3, so you will write here 3. Now dear, you simplify it. So what to do? You will get just like that, x upon, it is dear minus and minus plus 10 and minus 8. What you will get? 2 only, and equal to minus y. And this is dear once again minus and minus plus. So dear 16 minus 15, and this is the negative sign. So you will get minus 1, and equal to into the constant term 4 minus 3, that is 1. So you will write it is 1 upon 1. Now dear, you can see that this minus sign is cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and you will x upon 2 equal to y upon 1 equal to 1 upon 1. So dear, you mark the part as this is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. So what to do? You will take as first part and the third part simultaneously. Third part आपको हर बार लेना है, first part and third part. So what you will get? You will get just like that from first and third part. You will get it as x upon 2 equal to 1 upon 1. So dear, transpose this 2 to right hand side. You will get x equal to 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 means it is meaningless. X equal to 2 only. So this is the value of x. Now again you will select the term second and third from second and third part. You will get it is y upon 1 equal to 1 upon 1. So dear, by cross multiplication, otherwise you will find here the value of y, that is y equal to, you will get 1. So this is the value of y. Finally, therefore solution x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. This is the final answer of this question. So dear, this is the cross multiplication method, and I think that the concept of this method has been clear in among the all students. So dear, you can check your answer that it is correct or not. So how 2x plus y equal to 5. Now the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. So you put here the value of x in this place and the value of y in this place. So you will get 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5 as same to same, and 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So 4 and 1, that is 5 equal to 5. Since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence your solution is very correct. So thank you dear so much and enjoy the mathematics.